Hey everybody, it's Paul doing the week 3 interactive concept. I've got my chemistry sidekick here with me, Preston, and we are going to do the vinegar baking soda rocket. We're going to talk about it and then we're going to go outside and do it real quick. So when you take your vinegar is just an acetic acid that's dissolved in water, and baking soda is a base. Also known as sodium bicarbonate. The initial reaction is going to make carbonic acid, which is unstable, and it will quickly break down into just CO2 and water. When it does that, the gas is going to try leaving the water. That's where you see all the foam and the bubbles. But when we have this bottle stopped up, that's going to prevent the CO2 gas from immediately escaping the bottle, which will cause a massive pressure buildup. And then, boom, when the stopper, we used a wine bottle cork, can no longer hold the gases in, the stopper and the contents of the bottle will explode through the opening and we'll get rocket liftoff. So we're going to head outside and try this out. All right, guys, Preston and I are here. We're going to set this sucker up and we're going to shoot some rocketry. Put this in here, and then we're going to close it up, shake it up. Go, 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 go.
Ready for liftoff!
We're going to get ready for liftoff. See the foam growing?
Oh! Hey!
All right, and that is our rocket launch. Everybody have a good week.
Bye!